Hey guys, so I am going to be making a lace closure wig for one of my clients. I just wanted to go through with you guys and just show you a gist of how I make my lace closure wigs. So first things first, I have her size wig cap on my blockhead. So now I'm going to go ahead and mark which, where my tracks are basically going to lay. And I'm just going to mark on the plastic. I am making her wig out of raw Indian hair from my hairline. So these are her 3 bundles of hair. She has, I believe, 28, 26, and 24 inches. So these are her raw Indian bundles. And her raw Indian closure as well. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and pretty much map out where the tracks and the closure is going to lay on this wig cap, and I'll be right back. Alright, so it's time to sew on just the last few tracks around this lace closure. Boom! About to style this 28-inch wig. Come on, y'all. Get y'all wigs made. This is raw Indian hair, 28 inches, 3 bundles, and a lace closure at the top.